Hey, what is good, YouTube? Sia Trades over here. This is episode 16 of the trading series, and yeah, as you saw, guys, yesterday was an L day. I didn't take a trade on Monday. I took a trade yesterday, which was Tuesday, and I hit stop loss. And yeah, this is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, so let's see how today has for us. And yeah, I'm going out on a walk. Peace. Hey, what is good, YouTube? Sia Trades over here. So guys, I'm back from the walk, and it's a little bit late right now as I'm taking this video. It's 12:30, and yeah, I mean, I'm sorry for doing this video late, but yeah, I'll update you with everything and what is it that I'm looking forward to today. Well, I think I should show you via my my Telegram group the trade ideas that I had in the morning, and show you what is it that I was looking forward to today, and show you where the market is right now, right? So as you can see right now on Germany 30, it is like the first trade idea for the morning. As you can see, price came once, twice over here, and then I was looking for the rejection, but then as of now, as you can see, the price did reject over there. And I waited for the second candlestick to close. Well, I wanted it to close bullish, and I was gonna target that high over there. But then as you can see how it closed to the downside, and now it has been choppy around this area. But if it forms in a way that I'd like, then I'll let you know what is it that I'm going to do next. So moving to the other trade ideas, you can see, wait for the break of this support and retest of it, then I'm gonna be looking forward for selling opportunities. The main reason why I will be looking for selling opportunities is because since from Monday we can see the price has been pushing furthermore to the downside. So if I can see that break and retest of this zone, and then the sales confirmation entry, then I'm gonna tick sell and target this low over here. And now moving to the next trade idea, as you can see, if you can pull furthermore to the downside here, and then I'm gonna be looking forward to take those buys, which is this area over here, which is an area of interest, which has given us big moves in the past. As you can see, came here once, rejected, came back, manipulated over there, came, retest, went back, and then as you can see, it did give it did give us those huge push in the past. But yeah, I wanna see if it closes bullish, and then the second candlestick closes bullish, while I'll be taking those sales, and this will be a manipulation of this zone over here. For those who went early on the buys are taken out, well, then I'll be waiting for a proper close of a candlestick above there. Then I'm gonna take that buy and target to the upside. So moving to the next asset, which is US30. US30 is at its all-time high. Its new all-time high, US high, all-time high. You heard me right. So I don't like to intercede with the setups that are at their all-time high. As you can see, as you can see, the US30 is still there. Nothing much has happened so far, so nothing much to see on US30. And now moving to Nasdaq, as you can see, when we started this week on Monday, we were there. We went there, came back, and this is where I took my buy yesterday. I took my buy, and then it stopped me out. Well, as you can see, we've been rejecting, and now we broke below it. So what I will be doing is wait for the proper comeback or retest of this zone, and if it retest to this zone and it gives me proper selling or confirmation entry, and I'm gonna take those sales. And I think it has retraced back to that area over there. Oh no, it went past it. It went like to the downside. And okay, where we are right now is, I think, on this one here. Oh yeah, as you can see, we are here right now. This is the trade idea that I had. It was 2 minutes to 9. And yeah, as you can see, I was like, okay, if price do break below this and retest, then it gives me those selling opportunities, and I'm gonna take those sales. As you can see, it's actually doing that right now. We broke below this area of interest, which is support, and now we are pulling back into this area over here. If you can give me that sell entry confirmation, and I'm gonna target those sales going furthermore to the downside, right? That is Nasdaq. And moving to gold, as you can see, gold, also on gold, we are at an all-time high, and I don't like to, deal with things that are at an all-time high, but I think the safest way to deal with gold, or to go about with gold, is to wait for buying opportunities once the price pulls back into the zone, because it's bullish, so there are more buyers than sellers. So I could target this zone and be like, okay, I want to sell from here to here, but because the momentum is favoring the bulls, I don't want to find myself in the wrong side of the market. So I'd rather stay away from selling opportunities and look for more buying opportunities. I will take selling opportunities once I see the sellers are starting to step into the market. So until then, it's now waiting game, waiting for the proper setups to play out, and see if we do get an entry confirmation or a trade today. So if anything happens, then I'll update you. So I want to show you something else that I wanted to show you for the longest time, and this is how I go about my risk management plan. All right, as you can see here, this is a $5,000 account, challenge account, right? So I'm risking 1% per setup, and I'm targeting 2%, and 1% is like $100. No, it's $50, and then 2% is like $100 of the account, right? And I have to achieve 8% of the account, which is $200, which is $400, and I don't have to lose $200 in one day, which is 4%, and I don't have to lose 8% overall maximum drawdown to lose before I can lose the account. So my risk management plan, as you can see, as I have written over there, I wrote this plan yesterday, but I had it in my mind, but I thought that yesterday, let me write it on paper so that I can always come back to it and visualize it, right? As you can see, it's a risk management plan. So now I have situation 1 and situation 2. So what's basically happening is, if we hit 4 stop loss in a row, meaning if I'm risking 1% and then I hit 4 stop losses in a row consecutively, then I'll be down by negative 4%, which is $200. Then by then, when I'm in a drawdown, then I'm reducing my risk to risking 0.5% of the account, which is $25. So I will have to take, as you can see, I will have to take 8 consecutive losses before I can blow the account, because it's gonna have to take 25 multiplied by 8 is $200, and it will amount to 8% in overall. But I only have to take 8 consecutive losses, which is, I think, is highly impossible, but not impossible at all, but highly impossible, because I can see my strategy has been pretty much effective. And now we have to take, or if I'm in like negative 5% down, I have to take 4 consecutive winners to be back at break even, right? So in situation 2 is, if I hit 2 take profits from the initial balance, which is $5,000, which if I hit 2%, 2 TPs, in fact, 2 take profits, and I'm up, I'll be up like 4%, which is $200. And once I'm up by 2% on the account, then I'm gonna, when I'm up by 4%, I'll be risking 2%. As you can see, if I'm up by 4%, then I'll increase the risk to 2%, risking 2%, which is $100, and targeting $200 in a day. I can't even on a funded account, I can't risk more than 2%, because I can't lose like $200 in a day. That's like one of the rules. So I have to stick to 2% below, unless we buy another new challenge with a bigger account. But from now, even on live funded, I won't be risking more than 2%. Né? So I will be risking 2%. If I do hit a stop loss on one trade, risking 2%, then I'll be back to 2% up, right? Once I'm back to 2% in profits, well, I'll be reducing the risk again to risking 1% per setup. But if I do hit TP, risking that 2%, which means if I risk 2%, then I'm targeting 4%, right? If I do hit my take profits on that account, when I'm like, let's say I'm 4% in, now I'm risking 2%, well, then I'll be what? And then I do hit TP, then I'll be in $400 profits, meaning it will be 400 for the first 4% and then $400 for the second 4%, which will be coming when I'm risking 2%. I hope I'm making sense. I don't want to make this video very long. This video is like 9 minutes in, and I wanna cut it short. That's why you hear me speaking very fast, but I think it will be a 15 or 20-minute video, but it's okay. I just wanted to share the knowledge, the skill, the mindset, my plan, everything, and share it with you so you can see. Maybe you can learn one or two things from this whole video. Maybe you can take something from this and maybe apply it to your own way of doing things. But yeah, that's it from me on the charts, and let's see how things. Oh man, I love this. As you can see now, the price has mitigated our area of interest. So from now, I'm just gonna wait and see how it's going to react. What I wanna see is a drop, then I'm gonna take that short sell, put my stop loss, then target that line, which means I'm gonna risk 1% and target 2%. Catch you on the other side. I'll update you if anything happens. Tango. So guys, with that being said, I'm in this trade. So you know what I do. As you can see, it's currently 1:30 and just entered my sales there. Stop loss set, TP set. This is what we'll be looking for to take the partials. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is apply, set, and forget. So I won't be updating you now and then because it's gonna play with my psychology. What I'm gonna do is to set and forget. Maybe I can come back like 6:30 just before my data closes and update you with what will be happening. So let's see how it plays out. So guys, this is a new day. It's Thursday today. As you can see, it's currently 8:40 and I'm still in this trade on Nasdaq. I closed 2 positions and left 1 running. I'll pop up a screen record over here. So I'm gonna end this video here, and then you'll hear the update of this trade on episode 17. So episode 16, this is where I'm gonna cut this video short because I don't want to make it long. So this is a quick update on yesterday's trade. So I'm still in it with 1 trade, and yeah, so let's see if it's gonna take me out and break even, or it's gonna find a way to go down, because it's going back, bruh. And there's something in me that say close, but I'm just gonna let the market do its thing. Maybe it's a retracement and it's gonna continue pushing further more to the downside. But if it's not a retracement and then it's going to push further more to the upside, then it's gonna stop me out on break even, and it is what it is. As I collected some profits from yesterday's trade, so I'll be up by 2% still. So yeah, catch you on episode 70.